What's up, my YouTube fam? So, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own water nail decals from home. This is the quickest and easiest way to do it. So, the first thing you want to do is search for the photo that you want. Today is Martin Luther King Day, so I decided to do a Martin Luther King nail decal. So, I went to the web and then I typed in Martin Luther King Jr. and then all kind of random photos popped up. So for me, I like to look for either white or transparent backgrounds. That one right there is a transparent background. And then you can go to Canva or the eraser app. This is what I'm using right now, is the eraser app. And all you do is hit eraser, and then you click on the areas that you want to erase. If you're using Canva, then all you do is upload the photo and then hit remove background. But you have to have the Pro in order to remove the background because they changed the policies or whatever. So yeah, once you have your background removed, this is what it's going to look like. And then you can just go ahead and save it to your camera roll, and then we can move on from there. Okay, so now you're going to open up Microsoft Word on your phone or your computer, whatever you're using. And I already had a decal sheet that I was working on for a few of my customers, so I'm just going to use this one. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to add the pictures on a blank sheet of Microsoft Word paper, and you're going to size it down to fit the nail. I would suggest printing on a regular sheet first before you print on the decal paper, just to make sure the measurements are small enough for the nails. So basically here, I know it's out of frame and I apologize about that, but I was screen recording from my phone. So basically here, I am adding the photo of Martin Luther King, and then I'm sizing it down a little bit. And then I just hit copy and then I paste it. That way I don't have to keep going to the photos, adding it, and then sizing it down, going to the photos, adding it, sizing it down. So it's easier to just, after you get it to the size that you want, hit copy and then paste like that on Microsoft Word. And then here I'm just adding in words: Martin Luther King Jr., love, F love, Valentine's Day, stuff like that, so that I can fill up the sheet, because I didn't want to waste most of the paper. So that's basically all you do in the Microsoft Word part of it. So then once you're done adding all your photos to the Microsoft Word paper, then you can go ahead and hit print. And then you can just do the regular letter paper, the 8x11 size, and then print it onto the decal. Just make sure your decal paper is in the printer and just hit print. Okay guys, so this is the water slide decal paper we're going to be using today. I purchased it from Amazon, but you can also pick it up at Walmart. They have it in white and they have it in transparent. So we're going to be using the transparent today. You'll also need this Krylon crystal clear acrylic coating 1303. This is what is going to allow the sticker to separate from the paper, the water slide decal to separate from the paper. So I also suggest being in a well ventilated area. So we're going to head outside to the garage. All right, so we're outside in the garage, and you guys see how I am spraying it just side to side. That's what you need to do. You need to be up a little further than I am. Also, you only need 2 coats. Really, 1 coat is good, but I like to do 2 coats. Today I did 3 coats because it was really windy, and so I wanted to make sure that the decal paper was fully coated. And then I'm going to take the blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry it for about 1 minute maybe 2 minutes, just to make sure that it's completely dry. If you don't have a blow dryer, you can sit it to the side and let it dry like that, but I like to get it done, so I usually take my blow dryer and just blow dry it. So now that we're done making our decal paper, this is what it should look like. It should have a glossy-like look to it once it is coated and dried. And also, guys, if you're wanting to sell decal paper, I would suggest making sure that each of your sizes are the same in dimensions so that it's easier for you to cut it out and ship it off to your customers. I'm gonna go ahead and explain the difference between the white paper and the clear paper. So for the clear, it's a lot easier to work with versus the white. It soaks a lot faster. It doesn't like crumble, and it's just a lot more manageable, I think. And then you want to use light color polishes for your base colors. So for instance, white or a light pink, or something like that. Now for the white, you want to use more of the dark colors for the background, because you see how we're cutting out this decal now. If we were to leave that white background back there, it will be transparent, it'll be clear, because we're using the clear paper. Now if we were to leave it and it was white, all that back there will be white. And then so when we go in to soak it, to take the decal paper off, you have to leave it sitting in there a lot longer than the transparent paper. And then when you're putting it on the nail, it seems like it rips and tears a lot easier. Like the photo tears or crumbles a lot easier than transparent paper. I don't know if it's because it's thinner or what, but that's that. So yeah, you guys can just pick and choose whichever one you prefer, test it out, see which one you like better, play with it. But me personally, I like using the clear paper or the transparent paper. So basically now we're just going to cut out our decal, and then we're going to put it on a white background so you can see what it looks like. Now that we're done cutting out our decal, we're going to go in with our white from Nail Addict, and we're going to do a thin layer of the white. We're going to cure that for 30 seconds, and then we'll do a second coat of white, and we'll cure it for another 30 seconds. Now while that's curing, we're going to go ahead and prepare our decal. So I have a bowl of water and we're just going to place it in there for a few seconds. As you can see in the video, once I push it all the way into the water, it just immediately falls off. So that's why I like using the transparent paper. All right, so now we can apply our decal to the nail. No, I did not apply top coat at this point. I like to use that inhibition layer from the polish to apply the decal because it helps it stick a lot better. And then I will go in and I will top it with the top coat. For some reason today, I decided to file first before top coating it, but we're not going to tell nobody. We're going to keep that between me and you, period. But yes, guys, so at this point, you can go ahead and top coat it and then file the excess off and then go in and do your design, or if you're putting words on there or whatever you want to do, you can do that. I will be putting words on here. I wrote, I have a dream. So yeah, that's basically it for the video, guys. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all the love that you guys are showing me. I appreciate y'all watching my content. If you have any content suggestions, drop it in the comment box below. I really do appreciate it. If you want to inbox me, you can inbox me on Instagram at Ladii_Press. That's LADII_Press. And yeah, that's that on that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys and be safe.